If you are making your service appointment on your mobile phone, just follow these 4 easy steps. Visit us on aldermanchevrolet.com. Click on the book appointment icon on the main page. That will take you to the blue schedule service box. Tap on it. Start with your phone number or email address and click on search button. Now, we are on the step 1. Tell us about your vehicle, make, year and model, transmission, drive type, trim, engine type and engine size. Finally select your mileage and we are on step 2. What does your vehicle need? Maintenance package, or individual services, where you can choose among many services, such as synthetic oil and filter change, winter or summer tire changeover, brake system diagnosis, ABS light diagnosis and more. All you need to do is to click on the blue circle and here we go. Step 3. While we are servicing your vehicle, you can either select to wait at the dealership or to take a shuttle. It's easy, whatever you decide, let us know. Just click for yes or no. If you decide to wait, enjoy some of our amenities: car wash, child-friendly waiting area, customer Wi-Fi internet, dining, and shopping nearby, rental car, and shuttle service. Now you are ready for appointment. Step 4. Here you will choose your date and time. On the screen, you will see available times for the day and date you can choose from. When you select your desired time to visit us, you will get a confirmation. With Alderman Chevrolet, you will get high-quality vehicle servicing, maintenance, and repairs for all makes and models. Be a part of our family. Visit us at aldermanchevrolet.com and schedule an appointment with just a few clicks.